Prime Minister Andrew Holness has ordered a full investigation into issues relating to ventilators in the public health sector. The Prime Minister's announcement also comes in response to the death of a newborn at Maypen Hospital in Clarendon on June 11. Doctors and nurses took turns manually ventilating the baby and were unable to secure her transfer to another hospital. The nearby Mandeville Regional Hospital was reportedly short-staffed, though a ventilator was available.
For which I've been, I'm very disturbed by what I've heard, and I've ordered investigations into them. They should come to me at Cabinet next week with a full report. But these are issues that as your government, as your Prime Minister, I take them very deeply to heart, and we commit to doing everything within our powers to ensure that every single Jamaican that needs health care can get access to the health care that they need.
The update also follows a war of words between Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton and his opposition counterpart Dr. Alfred Dawes over 105 ventilators donated during the COVID-19 pandemic. Dr. Tufton has indicated that there are approximately 100 ventilators in use in the public health system. The Prime Minister was speaking at the Diaspora Conference now underway in Montego Bay.